I just got out of the train. I'm here at this station, Little India. This is a town, a train station. They have a lot of shops. That's in Singapore, by the way. So check out all my other videos. If you want to know how I got to this station, there's a separate video showing you how I got here. This is Little India in Singapore. So yeah, definitely check out all my other videos if you want to know how I got exactly to this. If you want to know how I got here, and if you want to see what this place has to offer. That's the train station where I came out from. If you want to see the Singaporean train, definitely watch my other video on how I got here by train, and I will show you the Singapore train as well. So yeah, they have a lot of shops here. Yeah, it's a very nice town, mostly a lot of Indian shops. Pretty awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how Little India looks. I don't know where the rest of the shops are, but just continue watching and I'll show you more. These are one of the shops here in Little India in Singapore. They have all this material, all these clothes. So yeah. And I just put this on camera, now I just want to put it on camera. Yeah, that's all right. I just want to, yeah, you don't have to open it up, that's all good. Okay, thank you. I'm just recording a video. Okay, no. Thanks a lot. They have all this material. Working? Sorry? Material working in your country? We actually came from Australia. Australia? Yeah, we came from Australia, yeah. Living in Australia, I've been settled there. Originally only Africa. Correct. We settled in Australia. We're from Melbourne, but I live in central Australia at the moment, middle of Australia, in the desert. Very nice. Yeah, we've been there for a very long time. Yeah. A lot of African, Indian, lots of people there. Many Indian people there. Yeah. How long you been here? Oh, you were born here? Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Yep. Okay. Wow, nice. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, nice. Wow. No, very nice. Okay, now thank you so much. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah, I was a very nice person. Just having a conversation with them. So. But yeah, this is Little India in Singapore. Now, which way do you want to go? I don't mind. This way? Okay. It's a very nice suit. Very nice suit. They have lots of nice clothes here. I want to ask them about something, but it looks like I might have to go in here. It looks like it's a wedding shop. Just gonna go in and okay. Gonna go in here. Hello, how are you? I saw a black suit downstairs. It's a men's suit. I was gonna ask for the price. Just want to know how much it is. No problem. That looks like it's an Indian temple. Huh? Yeah, we can go. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna go inside of that temple. Looks like it's an Indian temple. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. Now it looks like we have to take our shoes off, and I can't be bothered taking my shoes off. So I can't be bothered taking my shoes off, but I'm gonna try to record from that side. I'm not gonna, cause we have to take our shoes off. Yeah. I'm just gonna zoom in. That's an Indian temple. So yeah, I'm not gonna go inside because it's gonna take me a long time to take these shoes off. Look at the shoes that I'm wearing. I can't be bothered undoing that shoes. So, but here people have to take their shoes off before they go inside. So yeah, I was gonna go inside and show you guys how it looks inside, but because I have to take my shoes off, I'm not gonna bother. But yeah, that's an Indian temple. It's one of the tourist attractions here on this street. So yeah. So yeah, that's Little India. I'll zoom in on the street to show you guys how this street looks. We started all the way from back there. So yeah, having Indian food at Little India. What's the name of this food? I don't remember, but it's nice. So yeah, this is Little India in Singapore. Yeah, that's the restaurant. Yeah, I'm just about to have Indian food. And then I'm gonna walk around and I'll show you guys more of this street. So I'm just finished eating at the restaurant behind me. So it's getting a bit dark and I'm still here at Little India. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do my best to show you guys what's on this street here at Little India. So as you can see, all those shops, they have fruit, grocery, yeah. So yeah, there is fruit, grocery, food, basically everything. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna cross the road and I'll try to show you guys how this place looks. Yeah, it looks like it's just all shops around there. I'm gonna try to zoom in just so I don't have to walk all the way across. Yeah. Hello. So yeah, here recording. Yeah. I don't want to get hit. But yeah. Yeah, so basically everybody here is Indian. Very friendly people. Very nice people. I spoke to a couple of them. Unfortunately, I did not put it on camera. I've spoke to a couple of them who are actually born here. Those Indian people who are living here in Singapore, most of them are born here in Singapore. So yeah, this is Little. I'm not gonna go this way. Actually, I could. This is Little India, Singapore. All those shops are owned by Indian people. So that's an African song. That's pretty awesome. That's cool. I'm just looking with my eyes, bro. So good, man. So they're asking me to come and buy things, but I'm actually not buying anything. I'm only here bringing content. So yeah, I think I'm right at the end of the shop. at the end of the shops, I mean. So there is no more shops down here. I don't really want to continue walking. That's a mosque, masjid. I can't read. And Masjid and Julia. So yeah. If I can cross, that would be good. Looks like there are a lot of shops that way. So I'm gonna cross the road and I'll try to show you guys that road. The weather here in Asia, Southeast Asia, is extremely hot. It's super hot. Yeah, it's extremely hot here. I'm just gonna go down this street, and you can see how narrow this street is. There's people in front of me. I'm just gonna try to avoid them. So yeah, again, I'm just walking down the street in the town of Little India. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around and go back to a different direction. I'm just trying to cover up all the areas of this town. So I'm gonna head back and I'll try to show you guys a different part of this Little India town. So like I say in most of my videos, if you are enjoying my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. It's by force for you to subscribe if you enjoy my videos, but if you don't like my videos, it's not by force, it's your choice. You don't have to subscribe. So I'm only asking the viewers and those people who enjoy my content to subscribe. So yeah, if you enjoy my content, definitely subscribe. If you don't like my content, you don't have to subscribe. So the choice is yours. So yeah, the choice is yours. Looks like there's a lot of Muslim people here who just came out of the mosque. So what's today? Maybe that's the evening. The evening prayer just finished. So yeah. So yeah. I'm still recording. So hopefully after these videos, you guys will have an idea of what Little India in Singapore looks like. So I'm trying to bring you guys organic content, not just a random video from a movie or from YouTube or from Google or from somewhere else. This is my own content. I'm walking down the street in Little India recording for you guys. So just so next time when you come to if you ever do visit Singapore, definitely come and visit this place. If you are from India, if you are from Africa, Europe, wherever. Yeah, Hindu Road. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna stop recording very shortly because I think I have recorded enough of this road. So I have recorded enough of this road, or of this town, of this location. So if you come by train, the name of the train station that you'll have to disembark on, it's called, the name of the station, it's the same name as the town. It's called Little India. That's the name of the station. If you do visit, if you ever visit by train. So, oops. I've almost tipped over. They have this I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Yeah, they have a lot of Indian restaurants here, as you saw. I've just had a meal. I don't remember the name of the meal that I've just had, but it was beautiful. So yeah. So yeah, if you are from India watching my content, if you are from Singapore watching my content, it doesn't matter where you are from. If you like my content, you want to support me, that would be amazing. I would highly appreciate everyone's support who wants to subscribe, share and like my video. That would be highly appreciated. So, and also check out all my other videos here in Singapore. And before I came to Singapore, I was in Bali, Indonesia. So also, if you are watching from Indonesia, definitely check out my content. It doesn't matter where you are watching from. If you like my content and you want to support, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be amazing. And you know, when you subscribe, that's how I know that people are enjoying my content. If you like and share, that's how I know. If you don't like, you don't subscribe, you don't share, I wouldn't know that you guys are enjoying my content. So it's very important for you, for all the viewers, especially those people who like my content, it's by force for you to subscribe and to click the like button, because you do enjoy my content, you do like my content. So it wouldn't hurt you, it wouldn't cost you any money to press the like button. So I'm gonna end this video right now. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm gonna head back, order an Uber back to my hotel. The next video that I will be creating, it will be of Chinatown. So that's gonna be separate. I haven't visited Chinatown yet, but I will record a video of Chinatown once I get there. But for now, I'm out of here. This is Little India, Singapore. I love you guys all. Peace out.